In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources on this phone. So at first you need to open list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select biometrics and security, and here you will notice install unknown apps smoothly marked, and here you can give permission to any app that you only want to. So let me choose, for example, Gmail, and if you would like to allow from the source, just tap on this switcher. And this is it, and you can perform the same operation for each app that you only want to give this permission to. Afterwards, you'll be able to install another app via this source. So this is it. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.